Hi all, welcome to More Than 2 Minutes Tips. Today we're going to see how to change the numbers to words in Excel and change currency. Say for example 45,000, we have to type in $45,000 in there. See, the usual formula for doing this is spell number, and you can see that that formula is not there in Excel. How do we do that? Go to Google, convert numbers into words, the Microsoft support. There are some codes given here already. The UDFs are given. Just copy the whole thing till the end function. Copy, come back to Excel, go to the developer, Visual Basic, insert module, paste the full codes there, and press Alt Q, come back and type in is equal to spell number. It is there. Oops, there is an error syntax error. Let's see what it is. Oh, the underscore, there needs to be, okay, the next line, change it. Again, there is another error. Okay, there is a gap, just change that. Okay, done. That is just because of the copy paste. Done, it is there. Now copy the formulas to the next two lines. Okay, done. See, this is not a permanent solution. Now to make it a permanent solution, save this Excel as a macro enabled file and save it in the the location as C users, my username, app data, roaming, Microsoft add-ins. Paste it there and make sure the folder options view is for show hidden files as well. Now come back. Okay, don't save, close it, open another Excel file, go to options, add-ins. There you go, the spell number, what we saved there, it is shown there. Excel add-ins, go and add the spell number here, and done, it is there. Now just see whether the formula is coming there is equal to, let's say, spell number 2500. Boom. Now say for example you have to change the dollars and cents to another currency. Go back to the VB, Control F here. We will just replace the dollars and cents here. Select the dollars. Let's say we want to convert to rupees instead of dollars. To type it here, replace all. Let's replace. The same goes for cents to paise. Replace all. Done. Come back to the Excel. There you go. Thank you for watching.